Have you ever wondered why it seems harder to stay in shape as the years go by? Well, it might surprise you to learn that testosterone levels, a key hormone that influences everything from muscle mass to energy levels, begin to wane as early as our 30s, often dropping by about 1% each year. While this gradual decline is a natural part of aging, maintaining healthy testosterone levels becomes especially crucial after 50. It's not just about feeling youthful, it's about supporting your overall health and well-being. But before you consider synthetic treatments, which can come with side effects and risks, let's talk about effective and natural strategies to boost testosterone. In this video, we'll dive into 9 proven methods, from dietary changes and specific exercises to simple lifestyle adjustments, that can help you naturally enhance your testosterone levels and live a more vibrant life. Let's explore these together. Understanding testosterone. Let's talk about testosterone, and no, it's not just about bulking up or being aggressive, as many people think. Think of testosterone as your body's natural powerhouse hormone. It's like the foreman on a construction site, overseeing everything from maintaining your muscle mass to keeping your energy levels up and your mood balanced. Here's the thing, while both men and women have testosterone, guys tend to have it in much higher amounts. When you're in your 20s, your testosterone levels are typically at their peak, those days when you could hit the gym hard, recover quickly, and feel energetic all day long. But here's where it gets interesting: as we age, particularly after 50, these levels naturally start to dip. It's like your body's battery slowly losing its charge. You might notice some changes. Maybe the weights at the gym feel heavier than before, or you're feeling more tired than usual. Some guys experience brain fog, changes in their mood, or even a decrease in their motivation. The good news? Understanding these changes is the first step to addressing them naturally. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today: practical, proven ways to give your testosterone levels a natural boost. Number 1, exercise regularly. Strength training, like weightlifting, is not just about building muscle, it's a powerhouse for ramping up your testosterone levels. When you lift weights, especially with compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, your body responds by increasing hormone production, including testosterone. This boost not only helps you gain and maintain muscle mass, but also revs up your energy and mood. Now, let's talk about high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, which is another effective strategy. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise, followed by brief recovery periods. Think sprints, bike intervals, or even a fast-paced circuit workout. This type of training is efficient, can be done quickly, and has been shown to elevate testosterone levels significantly. Plus, HIIT is great for cardiovascular health and overall fitness. Both strength training and HIIT stimulate the body's adaptive responses, making them a natural way to keep your testosterone levels optimized as you age. Whether you're lifting weights in the gym or doing a quick HIIT session at home, incorporating these exercises into your routine can make a noticeable difference. Number 2, eat protein, fat, and carbs. Nutrition plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal testosterone levels, and it all starts with a balanced diet. Think of your body like an engine. The right fuel helps it run smoothly. Adequate nutrition is essential not just for energy, but also for hormone production, including testosterone. Now, let's break down the essential nutrients. First up, protein. Incorporating lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based proteins into your meals helps provide the building blocks your body needs for muscle repair and hormone synthesis. Next, let's talk about healthy fats. Foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil are fantastic sources. These fats are vital for hormone production because cholesterol, the precursor to testosterone, is derived from dietary fats. So, Don't shy away from including these in your meals. Lastly, don't forget complex carbohydrates. Whole grains, legumes, and vegetables not only supply energy for your workouts, but also help stabilize insulin levels, which can positively impact testosterone. When you prioritize a balanced intake of proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs, you're setting the stage for better hormone production and overall well-being. It's about nourishing your body to support those vital testosterone levels as you age. Number 3, minimize stress. Let's talk about something we all deal with: stress. You know that feeling when you're constantly under pressure, juggling work, family, and life's demands? Well, it turns out that chronic stress isn't just tough on your mind, it's actually working against your testosterone levels. Here's what happens. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, often called the stress hormone. Think of cortisol and testosterone like two people on a seesaw. When cortisol goes up, testosterone typically goes down. It's your body's natural response to stress, but when stress becomes chronic, this imbalance can become a real problem for your hormone levels. The good news? There are practical ways to manage stress effectively. Meditation might sound a bit new age, but just 10 to 15 minutes of quiet time each day can make a remarkable difference. Yoga is another fantastic option. It combines physical activity with mindfulness, helping to lower those cortisol levels naturally. Even simple activities like taking regular walks, spending time in nature, or enjoying a hobby can help break the stress cycle. The key is finding what works for you and making it a regular part of your routine. Remember, managing stress isn't just about feeling better mentally, it's about creating an environment where your testosterone levels can thrive. Number 4, get more and better sleep. You might be surprised to learn that some of your best hormone-boosting work happens while you're catching those Z's. In fact, research shows that most of your daily testosterone release occurs during sleep. Here's the thing: skimping on sleep or having poor sleep quality can drop your testosterone levels by up to 15%. That's like leaving money on the table when it comes to your hormone health. Think about it. Have you noticed how everything feels harder after a bad night's sleep? That's not just in your head. So, how can we maximize our sleep quality? First, aim for 7 to 8 hours of consistent sleep each night. Create what I like to call your sleep sanctuary. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Try to stick to a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends. Your body loves routine. Here's a pro tip: establish a relaxing bedtime ritual. Maybe it's reading a book, doing some light stretching, or practicing deep breathing. And yes, that means putting away your phone and other screens at least an hour before bed. That blue light isn't doing your sleep any favors. Remember, good sleep isn't just about feeling refreshed. It's about giving your body the time it needs to optimize your hormone levels naturally. Number 5, get some sun or take a vitamin D supplement. Studies have shown that men with higher vitamin D levels tend to have higher testosterone levels too. It's like these two work as partners in keeping your hormones balanced. In fact, research has found that men who increased their vitamin D levels saw significant improvements in their testosterone production. So, how can you boost your vitamin D levels? The most natural way is getting some good old sunshine. Try to get about 15 to 20 minutes of direct sunlight a few times a week, but don't overdo it. Take a walk during your lunch break, or have your morning coffee outside. Just remember to be sun smart about it. But let's face it, getting enough sun isn't always easy, especially if you're in a colder climate or working indoors most of the time. That's where vitamin D-rich foods come in. Think fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified foods. And if you're still not getting enough, a vitamin D supplement might be worth considering. Many men over 50 find they need that extra boost. Just remember to check with your healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen. They can help you determine the right amount for your specific needs. Number 6. Take vitamin and mineral supplements. Think of zinc as your body's testosterone production manager. It plays a crucial role in the process, and when you're running low on zinc, your testosterone production can take a serious hit. Interestingly, many men over 50 are actually deficient in zinc without even knowing it. Magnesium is equally important. It helps improve the quality of sleep. Remember how important that is, and can help free up testosterone that's bound in your blood, making it more available for your body to use. So, where can you get these minerals? For zinc, oysters are absolute superstars, but you can also find it in beef, pumpkin seeds, and crab. Magnesium is abundant in dark leafy greens, nuts, and avocados. If you're not getting enough from food alone, a high-quality supplement might be worth considering. Here's a pro tip: look for a supplement called ZMA, which combines zinc, magnesium, and vitamin B6. Many guys find this combination particularly effective, especially when taken before bed. But as always, check with your healthcare provider first. They can help you determine if supplementation is right for you and recommend the proper dosage. Number 7. Ensure sufficient healthy fats. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, contribute to the production of hormones, including testosterone. They help your body absorb essential vitamins and provide the building blocks for hormone synthesis. On the other hand, unhealthy fats, think trans fats and excessive saturated fats found in processed foods, can lead to inflammation and negatively impact your hormone levels. So, where can you find these healthy fats? Avocados are not just delicious, they're packed with monounsaturated fats, good for your heart and hormone health. Nuts, such as almonds and walnuts, are also great sources that add crunch and nutrition to your diet. And don't forget about olive oil, great for cooking or salad dressings. It's rich in healthy fats that support testosterone production. Incorporating these healthy fats into your meals can make a significant difference in your overall hormone levels and well-being. Just remember, balance is key. Too much of anything is never a good thing. Number 8. Avoid estrogen-like compounds and toxins. You might be wondering, what exactly are these toxins? Well, they're called endocrine disruptors, and they're found in places you might not expect. Think about those plastic water bottles you use, the non-stick cookware in your kitchen, or even some personal care products. These items can contain chemicals that mimic estrogen in your body, potentially lowering your testosterone levels. But don't worry, there are practical steps you can take to minimize your exposure. First, let's tackle plastics. Try switching to glass or stainless steel containers for food storage and water bottles. When it comes to cookware, opt for cast iron, stainless steel, or ceramic options instead of non-stick pans. Here's another tip: check your personal care products. Many conventional products contain chemicals like phthalates and parabens. Look for natural alternatives. There are plenty of great options available nowadays. And here's something simple but effective: filter your drinking water. A good quality water filter can help remove many of these hormone-disrupting chemicals. Remember, making these changes doesn't have to happen overnight. Start with 1 or 2 switches and gradually build from there. Your hormones will thank you for it. Number 9. Consider natural testosterone boosters. One standout is ashwagandha, an ancient herb that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Studies suggest it may help reduce stress, remember our talk about cortisol, and potentially boost testosterone levels. Another interesting option is fenugreek, which has shown some impressive results in clinical studies for supporting testosterone production and maintaining healthy hormone levels. But here's the thing, and this is really important: while these natural boosters can be beneficial, they're not one-size-fits-all solutions. What works great for one person might not work the same way for another. Plus, even though these are natural supplements, they're still powerful compounds that can interact with medications or affect certain health conditions. That's why it's crucial to have a conversation with your healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen. They can help you understand if these options are right for you, recommend proper dosages, and monitor your progress. Remember, natural testosterone boosters should be part of a comprehensive approach that includes all the strategies we've discussed: proper nutrition, regular exercise, good sleep, and stress management. Keep in mind that quality matters too. If you decide to try supplements, choose reputable brands and follow the recommended dosages. It's not about taking more, it's about taking what's right for your body. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring 9 powerful ways to boost your testosterone naturally after 50. From the importance of regular exercise and quality sleep to smart nutrition choices and stress management, each strategy plays its unique role in optimizing your hormone levels. Remember, this isn't about finding a quick fix. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that support your overall health and well-being. Whether you start with improving your sleep, adjusting your diet, or hitting the gym, every small step counts. Before making any significant changes, especially when it comes to supplements or exercise routines, please consult with your healthcare provider. They can help tailor these strategies to your specific needs and health situation. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Share your own experiences or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos on men's health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.